English Speaking Series Day 7. Talk about your hobbies in English. Can you talk about your hobbies in English? Don't worry if you can't. Today you will learn simple sentences to talk about your hobbies and free time with confidence. Let's start speaking English. Always remember, speak, practice, improve every day. Hobby vocabulary. Learn these important words: reading, writing, singing, dancing, drawing, cooking, playing cricket, watching movies, listening to music, traveling. Real life speaking. Let's learn how to talk about hobbies in real life. Person A. What is your hobby? Person B. My hobby is reading books. Person A. Why do you like reading? Person B. Because it helps me learn new things. Person A. What do you do in your free time? Person B. I read books and listen to music. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading. I like reading stories. I enjoy singing. I love listening to music. I like cooking. I play cricket on weekends. I watch movies with my family. I enjoy traveling. Speak, practice, improve every day. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Confidence challenge. Speak about your favorite hobby for 1 minute without reading. And remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Now it's time to homework. Talk about your favorite hobby in English for 2 minutes and practice it 5 times in front of mirror or record your voice. And remember, practice makes you better. Keep speaking, keep improving. Excellent work. Every conversation helps you become a better English speaker. Keep practicing every day, stay confident, and never stop learning. Like and share and subscribe if you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in day 8 with another exciting English speaking lesson. Keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you for learning with me. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.